and Meghan Markle are whinging or something. I think that means when they complain or cry around, but they don't deserve any sympathy. They're whinging or something. I don't know. I don't really know the expression. You know. Bijinago, yesterday. Mewinsha, a long time ago. A long, long time ago. NANABOOZHOO, you got a call on line 2. Line 2? All right, hang on. BOOZHOO caller, welcome to the show. You're on the air. Well, hello there, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Rolf. Rolf the dog. Hey, Rolf. Sweetie, that's my favorite Muppet. Yeah. How you doing, buddy? Well, I tell you, I'm doing okay. I got up early this morning, had a cup of joe, and then later on today I'm going to go down to the old piano bar and tickle the ivories. Yeah, I don't have much to complain about. It's a dog's life. Yeah, it's a dog's life. So you been dating or anything? You got a lady in your life? No, I stay away from the bitches. Hey, I'm trying to have a children's show here. No, it's all right. That ain't a swear when I say it, because I'm a dog, you know? Bitch. That's just a word for a female dog. Oh, yeah, I suppose, huh? You don't got any bitches in your life? Quit saying that. Well, I don't know. You said it. Nope, stay away from women. That's my motto. I decided I'm going MGTOW. MGTOW, what's that? MGTOW, it's men going their own way. You know, it's kind of like me and Symbolic. Symbolic? Yeah, you know, Nick and I were a couple of bachelors. Oh, is Nick here? Hey, BOOZHOO, Symbolic. What's going on? Mito Gigaje, welcome to the show. And Daniel's here too, sweetie. Daniel Lesage Black. Oh, Mito Gigaje, Daniel. Haven't seen you forever. Yeah, it's good to see you, buddy. Oh, the fellas are coming in. But what's that mean, MGTOW? It means men going their own way. I've decided to give up women. I'm going to go my own way. I'm going to work on my goals, and I'm not going to try to find love in all the wrong places anymore. Maybe there's some wisdom to that. Sweetie, should I go MGTOW? No, don't go MGTOW. You're my boyfriend. No. I can't go MGTOW with you, Rolf. I got an old lady. I'm sorry. No. So MGTOW, how come you're not gonna chase girls anymore? Well, I guess at my age I've kind of learned that the juice ain't quite worth the squeeze, if you know what I mean. The juice ain't worth the squeeze? Yeah, you know, women are kind of they're a lot of trouble when you really think about it. Oh, Natasha's no trouble. Yeah, well, you got a good one. But I tell you, you don't want to be out in the dating world anymore. Yeah. I tell you, I'm glad I'm not in the dating world. Isn't it all online now? Yeah, it's all on like Tinder and Bumble and, you know, you got to scroll through all these pictures of women and then you meet up anyway and it's also, I don't know, man. I find I got a lot more time and energy if I just spend it, you know, living the bachelor life. Yeah, but don't you get lonely? No, I'm never lonely when I got my piano and my buddies at the bar. Your buddies at the bar. Yeah, man, they're a pretty good group.
Here. All right. That was cool. Oh, na, na, na. And I know there is strength in the differences between us. I know there is comfort where we overlap. Come here, stand in front of the light. Stand still so I can see your silhouette. I hope that you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you, no, 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 I'm not done looking. Yeah. Ooh, na 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 na, baby. I'm not done looking at you, no, I'm not done looking. Ani DeFranco. Not done looking yet.
Today's OJIBWE word of the day. Dybbuk Jesus. Dybbuk Jesus. Night sun is how it directly translates, but it means the moon. This is the Ojibwe word for moon. Dybbuk Jesus. I know it looks like Jesus, but it's not. G's are G. 2 I's is E. Jesus. Dybbuk Jesus. And the earth is called Aki. Aki. So, sweetie, can you want to do me a solid?
Yeah, I'll do you a solid.
Could you, lock in on my coordinates and then teleport me to the moon?
Well, for sure I'll teleport you to the moon.
Thank you so much. I'm going to go up to the moon for a second, because this is our Ojibwe word of the evening, of the Onagoshin.
Yep.
Okay.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Nah.
Okay, hang on.
Oh, Dybbuk Jesus, the moon. Tonight. Oh, and the Aki, the earth. Mama Aki, Mother Earth. That's what we call the earth, Mother Earth. Because we think of her as our mother. She's the giver of life, and yet she's not. I've been getting kind of annoyed with Indian people lately. They're like, oh yeah, Mother Earth. She's the mother. It's like almost like the earth is God. It's like, no. The Father is God. He's the real creator. He created the earth. I don't believe he created a round marble. And there's nothing in the Bible that says he created outer space. I don't believe any of this. But I do believe he created what we know as the earth. I just don't think it looks like that.
They don't play it no more, but I remember a time in 1984, or maybe 85. He sang the Salvation Army band played, the children drunk lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say. They say. They say. by. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out of sight of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in her younger days, pushing the clouds away, away. But the bitters came on better on a stolen guitar, and now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came on better on a stolen guitar, and how we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say, they say, okay.
And in winter 1963, it felt like the world would freeze. John F. Kennedy and the Beatles and the Beatles. Yeah. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Miigwech, BOOZHOO. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to our song. If you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minawa. Ho!
I don't know. What are you doing?
Sweetie, could you do me a favor?
I'd be happy to. What would you like me to do?
Would you teleport me down to the holodeck?